dance. And which kind of hunting? Group hunting. Understood? And then I said that rock art of Neolithic is marked by the presence of geometrical symbols, totemic belief in the kinship, the group of people, log apne saath rahe, and then people those who are belongs to nearby us, they said kinship, and symbols of petroglyphs besides human figures. So some the petroglyphs came during which period? Yes, tell me. Petroglyphs, engraving in the rock, carving in the rock. It comes during which? Neolithic. याद रहेगा? I said that geometrical symbols, kinship understanding. Yes? Which I said that? Which are that I said? Geometrical symbols, kinship understanding, and then petroglyphs. The artists used locally, I said that available material and dominants were what is in a red, yellow, white and black. Red, yellow, white and red, yellow कैसे मिलेगा? Just tell me. Okay. And white, lime. And then decomposed organic matter, black. And then green through the vegetation or some rocks. And then gum from the trees are used to binding materials. जैसे हम लोग the egg में हम लोग white portion that we are using, it is also help in binding. The most frequently depicted subjects are different animals either alone or in group. So सबसे ज़्यादा favorite subjects क्या था उनका? I said that different animals, whether it is an alone or whether it is groups. Women are indulging in various activities like what is in dancing, running, hunting, playing games. So generally हम इसमें ज़्यादातर क्या दिखाया गया है? Hunting and what is in somewhere not dancing. It is in playing games, something like this. So आप hunting को ज़्यादा आप देखेंगे. So what are the things that we have seen? Animals are more, and if the human beings are there, that they are what is in hunting and then dancing and then playing games. These are the things are there. In which stage? Neolithic. Understood? I said that. Is it okay? And then they started what is in killing animals through the spears and all. So थोड़ा technology क्या होते जा रहा है? It has been increased. Now the Kama Sutra of Vatsayana. Kama Sutra of Vatsayana lists painting as one of the 64 kalas or fine arts. हमने क्या बोला? Just tell me how many कला है वात्सायना क्या काम सूत्र में? I said that how many? 64 fine arts and mentions paints, brush and drawing boards. Mentions और इसमें क्या गया है? कैसा पेंट होगा, कैसे ब्रश बनेगा, and then drawing boards as essential accessory of an average citizen. And then there is one woman is there, Yasodhara's commentary on the Vatsayana's work, and that is known as the Sadanga or 6 limbs of painting. Sadanga is what? What is the Sadanga? 6 limbs of painting, and this is a commentary given by Yasodhara on which book? Kama Sutra of Vatsayana. So we have 6 limbs. We have what I said that 6 limbs, and that is known as just tell me Sadanga. That is known as just tell me Sadanga. And then I said that रूप भेदा प्रमाणानि. Yes, रूप भेदम प्रमाणानि भाव लावण्य योजनम. भाव लावण्य योजनम. रूप भेद प्रमाणानि. Which I said that रूप भेदा प्रमाणानि. Yes, भाव लावण्य योजनम. भाव लावण्य योजनम. सदृश्यम वर्ण का भंगम. सदृश्यम वर्ण का भंगम. So what are the words we have seen? Yes, tell me. Roop bheda pramanani. Roop bheda pramanani. Roop bheda pramanani. Bhav lavanya yojanam. Bhav lavanya yojanam. And then I say sadrishyam. What I said that? Sadrishyam vanna. Sadrishyam vanna ka bhangam. Sadrishyam vanna ka bhangyam. Iti chitram sadaka. Iti chitram sadaka. So what the line I have talked about? Yes, tell me. रूप भेदा प्रमाणानि. रूप भेदा बोलने. रूप भेदा प्रमाणानि. रूप भेदा प्रमाणानि. भाव लावण्य योजनम. भाव लावण्य योजनम. सदृश्यम वर्ण का भंगम. दृश्यम वर्ण का भंगम. इति चित्रम सदाका. I said that रूप भेदा. Which one I said that? रूप भेदा. अगला कौन सा पार्ट है इसका? प्रमाणम. Pramanam. Understood? And third limba is I said that bhava. And then fourth is lavanya yojanam. Fourth is so roop bheda, pramanam, bhav, lavanya yojanam, sadrishyam, and varnakar. Sixth one is I said that varnika bhanga. Understood? These are the 6 limbs of what is a painting. And who has given this? Who has given this? Yashodhara. It is a commentary on Vatsyayana Kam Sutras. And how many there is in a what different fine arts there is? 64. Rupa Veda. I said that the knowledge of looks and appearance. आपको यदि painting बनाना है तो you should have a knowledge of what? Rupa Veda. Yes, and looks and appearances. Can you remember Rupa and looks and appearances? Then I said that which one I said? Pramana. And जब फिगर बना रहे हो तो वहां पर precision and accuracy of the measurement. Suppose मेरी हाथ को आपने क्या किया? If I am this kind of figure, you have in a picture you have reduced it half. लेकिन पैर को उतना ही रख दिया तो क्या हो गया? So I said that there is a high need of what? Accuracy and precision of the high accuracy and precision of measurement. Yes or no? तो तभी आप जाकर प्रमाणित कर पाएंगे दिस इज द बेस्ट पिक्चर. यस प्रमाणम. व्हिच आई सेड दैट रूप भेद नॉलेज ऑफ लुक्स एंड अपीयरेंस. देन आफ्टर आई सेड दैट हाई एक्यूरेसी एंड प्रिसीजन इन द मेजरमेंट. दैट इज ओके. एंड आफ्टर दैट लावण्य भाव एंड देन लावण्य योजनम. एंड भाव तो आप जानते हो फीलिंग्स ऑफ डिफरेंट फॉर्म्स. हर एक का फीलिंग आप अपने आप क्या देखोगे आफ्टर द फीलिंग्स ऑफ सक्सेस. And after watching your mother, after watching your father, after seeing your what is a brother, sister, and then your fiancé, तो सब में क्या होगा? Different भाव आएगा. And then सबसे अच्छा भाव कौन सा होता है? Parents. And there is a success. और parents से मिलोगे without success, there is another भाव will be on the face. So I say. Killer. And then I said that lavanya yojanam. Which one I said that? Blending grace in artistic representation. The grace देना. किसी में यदि लावा आपके सामने आ गया, yes or not, तो आप क्या आपका शरीर का क्या होगा? हर तरीके से blending हो जाएगी. Not lava will come. So blending the graceness, giving the blending what is it? Grace in artistic manner. कभी कोई किसी को आप दो कोई ऑब्जेक्ट दो, someone you know that अरे यार I don't like, and then so masterpiece he has made with small things. No, let me यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा and there it is and beautiful sculpture. It's a masterpiece become. Yes or not? Yes. Bani Thani, who is there? Kishangarh painting में who is there? Bani Thani. It is known as a what? Mona Lisa painting of India. Yes or not? So I'll say that, I'll come on to it. तो हमने कोई भी चीज को एक्स्ट्रा देने के लिए आप करना क्या है? If you want to do anything extra in this world, do after doing a knowledge of a thing, do it again and again, again. This is the जो आप लोग आप कर लेते हैं तो मैं एक दो बार रिवीजन देता हूँ. What happens? You become what is it? Best in that. Getting my point? So I said that हमने कौन कौन सा देखा? Just tell me. रूप भेदा. It is a knowledge of looks and appearances. And then I said that which one? Pramanam. Pramanam is high accuracy and then precision in the measurement. And then I said that bhav, feeling of different forms. Lavanya yojanam, blending the graceness in your artistic manner. Yes, lavanya. Lava जब आए तो अपने तरफ से योजना बनाओ कि कैसे मैं लावा से बन सकूं. And then my house can be also better way. सिंपली आप क्या करो? लावा है देन यू ट्राई टू मेक ना वन होल ट्रेंच. अच्छे से घर के आगे क्या बना दो? नॉलेज होगा तो बना दोगे, नहीं तो आप सोचोगे कि आई हैव टू स्टैंड व्हाट इज इन वन गेट. जब आप गेट बनाओगे ना, द लावा फोर्स कैन ब्रेक दिस गेट. बट व्हेन यू विल मेक इन अ डिच, सीरीज ऑफ डिच, द लावा विल फॉल इनटू इट एंड अलोंग द स्लोप्स. तो कभी आप लावा जहां पे रहता है तो यू हैव टू डू इन अ बेटर योजना. यस और नॉट? लावण्य योजना. So there is a use to how to save yourself from this kind of it. Lavanya, the blending grace in an artistic manner. Thereafter we have seen sadrishya, similarities. Example, I said that it should be like a resemblance and portrayal of likeness of the subject. Completely dig that yes, this is another masterpiece. And then Varnika Bhangam, an artistic way of making use of the brush, and the best way of using the brush and color is known as a Varna. Varna means color. Varnika Bhangam. So which are the 6 limbs of Sadanga of painting? Rupa Veda, Pramanani, Prubha Veda, Pramanani, Bhava Lavanya Yojanam, Sadrishya. Sadrishya Varnaka Bhangam. Sadrishyam Varnaka Bhangam iti Chitram Sadaka. Iti Chitram. Understood? तो ये हम लोग कौन सा कर रहे हैं? Which are we are doing? Sadanga. We are doing what? Sadanga. समझ में आ चुका? The first one I said that Rupa Veda. Resemble as what I said that Rupa Veda, knowledge of looks and appearance. And Pramanani, accuracy and precision in the measurement. And then we have talked about Bhava. It is a feeling for different kind of forms. And then we have been able to see there is a Lavanya Yojanam, blending the graceness in the artistic manner. And thereafter we have seen, yes, Sadrishyam, it is a resemblance of the what is the truth. And then I said that next point, yes, Varnika Bhangam, use of brush and colors and paints and all. Understood it? Rupa Veda, Rupa. Yes, Rupa Banyan, underwear Banyan. Pramanam. And then Bhavanima, Bhavanam. Lava, Lavanam. One movie is there, Sadrishyam. And this is colors of use, Varnika Bhangam. चलो 2-4 बार देखते रहोगे तो ऐसे भी दिमाग में चिपक जाएगा तो आपको दिया होगा उसमें देखते रहना. So I said that prehistoric paintings. Which are the prehistoric paintings we are going to see? I said that prehistoric and old prehistoric paintings. Bhimbetka. पहले तो यहाँ से देख ले ऐसे याद हो जाएगा आपका. This is which one? Mirzapur. Which one we have seen? Mirzapur, Bhimbetka, Pachmadi, Bhimbetka, Pachmadi. Able to see? Able to see. And Hoshangabad में आपने क्या देखा था? Adamgarh Hills. याद है ना? So we have to see where it is. I said that mostly Mirzapur, yes, Bhimbetka, Pachmadi, Adamgarh, that is means Hoshangabad, and then यहाँ पर Mandsaur. What is there? Mandsaur, and then in the Chhattisgarh, Raigad, and then we have seen Raichur. So which are the famous prehistoric painting sites? एक Mandsaur add करेंगे. Yes, then add the Mandsaur. Which one I said that? Mandsaur. Which one I said that? Prehistoric paintings. Understood? These are the major sites of what I said the prehistoric paintings. Which are I said that? Mirzapur, yes, Mirzapur, Bhimbetka, Pachmadi, Hoshangabad, Raipur, Raichur, and then Mandsaur. Understood it? These are again, which are the prehistoric paintings? Tell me fast. Mirzapur, Pachmadi, Bhimbetka, Hoshangabad, Raigad, Raichur, Mandsaur. Understood? जो आपने पहले किया था थोड़ा सा Bhimbetka I am showing you. Yes or not? आपके नोट्स में भी होगा Bhimbetka. यहाँ पे कैसा लाइन है? Yes, outline and stick style. याद है? Outline and we have that they have utilized which kind of style? Outline and stick, very dark and all. So bold lines. And which color they are using? Ochre, red and yellow earth colors initial level पे. And then green भी आया था. बाद में scratched on stone. What is the meaning of scratched on stone? Petroglyphs. Understood? And then know how to make colors and ब्रुसेस, ये सारी चीजें आप इसमें देखेंगे. एंड देन इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट दैट वी कैन सी, केवल दिमाग से देखें. यस, कैसा दिख रहा है? डार्क आउटलाइंस. यस और नॉट? व्हाट इज इट? दिख रहा है? आई सेड दैट बोल्ड लाइन्स, ochre red and yellow stones. Can you utilize in this? एंड देन ये क्या है आपका? कौन सा एनिमल है? बुल. ये तो मुझे भी नहीं पता है. कोई होगा, बिसोन है शायद. Which one is there? Bison, चाहे बिसोन, जो भी कहो. Understood it? So I said that which are that we have seen? दिख रहा है? There is an I sent outline and stick style. हमने क्या देखा था? Who has discovered the Bhimbetka painting? Wakankar. Who has discovered? And then आप walk कर रहे हो, then you have been able to see Wakankar. छोटे छोटे में देखेंगे. I said that belong to 3 periods, has the 7 periods, but major it is what? Upper, Meso and then Neolithic. Understood it? Just take an idea केवल लेते जाना. I said that upper Paleolithic, dark red and green lines, जो आपने देखा भी था. And then animals are there. But जैसे ही आप Mesolithic में आए, smaller figurines lost their proportion in naturalism, जिसको आप लोग बाद में पढ़ेंगे, अपभ्रंशा. It is known as what? Means when you are naturalistic, you are what is losing the picturization and making painting. It is known as what? Apabhramsa. And then later green yellow battle scenes started coming. What I said that? And then riding elephants, horses with the spear bows. Neolithic में क्या आ गया आपके पास? Spears and bows. And then along with the community, they started what is community के साथ मारते थे. But later on community के साथ you have what? Third Neolithic में क्या आ गया? You have not spears kind of it. So ये सारी चीजें just एक आपके पास इमेज होना चाहिए. In the upper Paleolithic, what we have utilized? Yes, tell me. Upper Paleolithic, Bhimbetka में हमने देखा ochre red, bold lines and all. Yes, and that time we have given the what is a natural figure of animal, and then human is a decorative. Human is what? But in the second Mesolithic में क्या हो गया? Size has been reduced. It means there is an apabhramsa. Proportion and size has been reduced. But the people started doing what is a community dance and community and the group hunting. But thereafter it is in a Neolithic. What has been happened? Then it has been increased further. And then what has been happened? Yes, the increased work quality, spears and bows, and then the elephants के साथ बैठकर, and then sometimes अब technology आपके पास है. They started what is in a, you can started what is in a, making the elephant as in a pet animal and all. So that they started doing. This is the way Neolithic तरफ हम लोग आगे बढ़े. Mesolithic and all. Gupta is painting. Which age I said that? Gupta is. And Guptas. तो हम लोगों ने अभी तक कौन से पेंटिंग देखी? What is it? Stone paintings. The Stone Age हमने देखा. And Stone Age में which are the Stone Age? Just tell me. Upper Paleolithic, Mesolithic, Neolithic. Understood? Upper Paleolithic, Mesolithic and Neolithic. And the Neolithic may you know that petroglyphs, you remember scratch, petroglyphs can. And then I said that हमें क्या देखना है? अजंता. गुप्ता सेज में क्या दिखेंगे? अजंता केव, बाग केव कहाँ? जहाँ मंदसौर है वहीं पे धार डिस्ट्रिक्ट. Bag is in a river itself, tributary of Narmada river is moving like this. And यहाँ पे मंदसौर है, and then चंबल is going like this. यहाँ से क्या आ रहा है? धार डिस्ट्रिक्ट. बाग रिवर फ्रॉम द धार डिस्ट्रिक्ट. आपको याद होगा कल हमने मालवा में बताया था धार, मांडा एंड चांदेरी. इफ यू रिमेम्बर, धार चाहिए मानव को, धार, मांडू, चांदेरी. आई सेड दैट अजंता, बाग, सीतानाशर. अजंता इट इज इन औरंगाबाद, बाग इज इन द MP, and Sita-Nasal is in the, I said that, Tamil Nadu, Pudukkottai district. Which district? So which are we have seen? Tell me. Bagh is in the MP Dhar district. Ajanta, it is in a what? Tell me. Aurangabad. Gupta's is and followed by other rulers. After that, which other rulers? And then we have seen Sita-Nasal. And it is, I said that, tell me, Tamil Nadu.